Hey guys, welcome to another lesson. I'm going to show you how to set up your system so you can start testing out Ionic version 4. Give feedback to the Ionic team so they can make Ionic 4 better, speed it up, and release it for us to start using. And also maybe if you want to contribute. So how do we set our machine up? Well, if you already have Ionic installed on your machine, you might have the version 3 of the command line, maybe version 3.20.0 of the command line 2 on your system. But to start working with Ionic 4, which is the next release of Ionic, you have to install the RC version, the release candidate. So how do we do that? Well, just simple npm install global Ionic RC. So let me fire up my command line 2 and let's start here. So now I'm going to install the RC release candidate version of Ionic, so I can create Ionic 4 projects. So now we have it installed. That is Ionic version 4.0.0 release candidate 6. So now let's check it out. Ionic, and well, kind of still the same here, I think so. But you see the version is not 3 but 4. This is the release candidate. So how do we create Ionic 4 projects? Well, we are told here that, let's check out this issue. Alright, so we are told that we need to enable the Angular project type by just setting the config in the global section. So just if you are following, just go to this 3019 issue of the Ionic CLI project, and just copy this, paste it in your CMD or terminal, and you will set the Angular project type to true. But I'm being told that it's already set for me because I've already done this. So let me set it to false and set to true again, so we see what we get. So true, and that's it. Says it has been set to true. So now let's create an app. So Ionic start Ionic 4 starter, and let's see what we get. So you see here we are told that we have an Angular project, Ionic Angular project, which is version 4 upwards, and we can also create Ionic version 2 or version 3 projects. That is the Ionic Angular here, the second one. And we can also create Ionic version 1 project. Previously, when you want to create Ionic version 1, it's kind of you have to pass some flags and all that. I recently worked on Ionic 1 project for a company, and I had some few issues setting it up. Yeah, but with this, by just typing Ionic start, provide the, or you can just omit, and you'll be asked the name, and you just tell the name Ionic 4 starter, and then you'll be given the versions that you want to create the Ionic project version. So when we choose the Angular one, which is a version 4 upwards, our Ionic version 4 project should be created for us. So that's how simple it is to set your system up to start working with Ionic version 4.